We came out this morning and we've already picked them over pretty good, but there's still some left. We have chamomile all over in this bed, and so Jed and Selah are going to show you how to harvest your chamomile. Okay, now Miss Selah is going to reach down and she is going to show us how to harvest. You want to show one and then you can show how to do several?
So I just put my fingers together around the little plant and I gently slide it up to the flower and gently pull up. And then I put it in the paper bag.
Awesome. What does it smell like?
I don't know. Let me smell one.
I think it smells like apples.
I think it smells like honey.
Honey? Okay, now show us how to do many at once.
Okay. Okay, so...
Same concept, right?
Yeah.
You just grab the stem with your finger,
and then
pinch your fingers together.
You pinch your fingers together and then you start pulling, gently pulling up.
Because we don't want to rip the chamomile plant out, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because then that'll ruin the plant.
Elijah, you want to try?
Maybe on this one.
Yeah. Awesome. Now we're going to get to it and just start pulling. Bud, you're late. Okay guys, let's see how much we harvested. That's probably about 3/4 of a cup. That is an excellent haul, Missy. Jed, what does your hand smell like?
I think it smells like apple and honey.
Yeah. But why are your hands doing that?
Because we've been picking the flowers.
So now your hands smell good, huh? Was that fun? And easy? And so now guys, we're gonna dry our flowers out and we'll have them for winter.
Yay!